Why you should take this module. This is Compugene, your company's new pharmaceutical product that has been developed to treat diabetes. The company has spent millions of dollars researching and developing this drug, and they are confident that it will effectively treat thousands of people each year and radically improve their quality of life. However, in order to market Compugene, your company must prove to the regulatory authorities that the drug is safe and effective before it can be approved for use. The approval process is long, complex, and expensive. For newly discovered drugs, the road from the laboratory to the patient involves successfully completing a number of stages. In this module, we will trace the route taken by new drugs as they pass through each of these stages. You will learn about the process by which new drugs are identified and tested, and you will learn about the different types of clinical and non-clinical trials used to make sure that medicines are effective and safe to take. As you make your way through this lesson, you will encounter a checkpoint at the end of each stage of the clinical trial process. In order to proceed to the next stage in the process, you will need to complete a task. To begin this journey, click Next. The Principles of Drug Development. 1. Pharmaceutical research and development is a complex and demanding endeavor. Increasing economic pressure and stringent regulations require innovation in order to compete successfully. Bringing a product to market without compromising the integrity of clinical data or the safety of research subjects is challenging. Traditionally, patients and physicians had to decide on their own whether products were safe and effective. Some products worked, others did not, and some were harmful, addictive, or deadly. As a result, laws, regulations, and guidelines concerning pharmaceutical research have evolved along with the growth of the industry. Today, drug manufacturers must carefully test their products to ensure that they are safe and effective. To achieve marketing approval, sponsors have to prove that a new treatment improves the patient's quality of life in addition to being safe and effective. A considerable challenge for drug sponsors is to decrease costs and development times while maintaining high-quality standards and complying with regulatory requirements. Any delays in getting a successful product to market could result in millions of dollars in lost sales.